everybody. This is Jack Owen-Parker. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a real estate professional, and I am out here today in Summerlin, and I'm going to present this beautiful Tim Moore's home to you. It's a little over 2,300 square feet, and I'm going to start the tour inside just because it's about 110 degrees outside. So sit back, relax, enjoy the tour. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave so in the comment field. And thank you so much for coming back to my channel. When you walk into this home, you walk into this beautiful entryway. I'm going to back up here to show you how long the entryway is. It does allow for a lot of nice creativity if you have some beautiful artwork or display items. You'll notice that the ceilings in this house are probably about 9-10 feet, and they also gave you these nice sharp corners in this home as well. The finish on the walls is like a orange peel, and it's a standard finish. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. So over here, when you walk in, this would be a bedroom option, but it is set up like a little den, little office area. And that leads you over here to the left, which is this really nice size bedroom. And I'd say this is about a 10 by 12 or maybe 11 by 11 bedroom. And they do have a standard wall closet here that is actually quite large and has a lot of space up here in the front. So you're going to notice in these homes that the doorways, I think, are a little smaller than normal. And if you notice that they seem like they're about 2.5 feet wide. So keep that in mind when you purchase these homes, although that they are sufficient and beautiful. It's just there's certain things in certain homes. Up here, you're going to notice this other bedroom. I'm loving this nice this curved window up front here, and I kind of like the olive tree in the front too. That just really sets this off really pretty, and it gives you some privacy as well. So again, this is about a 10 by 10, 11 by 11 bedroom, and they gave you a wall closet, and also this will lead you over here to your full-size bathroom. And if you notice this beautiful tile work they did, it's stunning. They did bring a nickel finish in this home with everything. And they also gave you this nice square bathtub. And this features a larger than normal single vanity, but again, just beautifully done. And that will lead you over here to the other side where you have a single half bath. But I have to show you this tile work in here. Just stunning. And they also gave you a single vanity as well. So coming back here, they gave you this oversized great room. This room, it lacks a fireplace, but I'm absolutely loving all the windows that they put in here, and they gave you this gorgeous corner kitchen. And these tiles over here with this kitchen are just stunning. I just love these tiles. And they gave you this really nice waterfall island here. The island's quite long, maybe 12-15 feet. And they complemented it with this beautiful cabinetry work. And they brought it up here to the top. So they did give you a cooktop over here. And I'm going to wrap around. This island gives you a really nice dishwasher. It's a cafe style, and also they gave you this nice oversized single, what am I trying to say, sink here. So over here, you'll notice this nice, these double wall ovens, but they're kind of a bronzy finish, and I haven't seen this finish with these yet, but they are just beautiful. And these are cafe products as well. Which gives you this really nice oversized refrigerator and this really nice little area here. Coming back here, you have this oversized pantry. And that is opposite of the laundry room here. And I want to point out one additional quirk. This laundry room actually has a walk-in closet which leads you into the owner's suite. And I'm going to go back there in just a second. But I want to show you the garage doors here, and it is locked, so I cannot go out there. So coming back over here where I just was is the owner's suite. I'm liking the entryway into this owner's suite, and it also is followed by this solid window here, and which they also gave you these really nice solid windows out here too. So this room is a little larger. It's not as big as the other owner suites that I normally see, but it's definitely sufficient. They brought in this really nice upgraded door here, this farm style door. And they also gave you this beautifully done bathroom here. So this tub is just stunning. I love how they brought in all of the tile work up to the ceiling. And they also gave you this beautiful walk-in shower. And this tile work here is just stunning as well. And that will wrap you around over here to your double vanity. And you notice they brought in this really nice same cabinetry work and these beautiful bronze pieces as well for your door pulls. And they also brought in this nice brownish kind of marble. So this home is fairly stunning. I absolutely love it. Let me see if I can get you in the backyard here. All right, so here's the backyard of this home. They gave you this really nice tile work here, this travertine, and I do like it's kind of a rough edge. And that brings you back here to this backyard area. And I really like that they brought in this kitchen area as well. And then they have this little area here where you have this fireplace, and did a pretty spectacular work with this. All right, that concludes the tour of this home out here in Summerlin. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, and leave some comments in the comment field. I hope you enjoyed this tour that I brought to you today, and have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next tour. Bye-bye.